What's up everyone? Today we are working on replacing the Yamaha 2013 350 Raptor handlebars. I was out riding my ATV yesterday trying to do some hill climbing and didn't go so well. I ended up falling and the ATV fell even further and bent the crap out of the handlebars. So now we're going to replace it and I have no idea what I'm doing. Should be fairly simple though. Let's figure it out together. You can see how bent those handlebars are. I have never done anything like this. Let's see how it goes. I think this thing just pops off. It's connected to some stuff, so don't pull too hard. There we go. That just leans forward. I think to start, I am going to unhook all these things, so I got to figure out what size each of these screws are. Looks like we're gonna need a size 8. Nice thing about Yamaha is they come with these ties and you can actually reuse them. My palm is still bruised from falling. So this kind of hurts to take it off, but it's not that hard to take it off. I'm just extra weak right now because from falling. Cool. So that piece was easy. Just lay it down. Size. Okay, cool. Cool, so far this has been pretty easy. As you saw, you just unscrew these. All right, take the little ties off. If this comes off, just set it down. All right, got that. Now these look like they are screwdriver, and I believe that this is the screw to let it go. Pull this down. So this piece right here, this black thing, is basically just a spacer between the two. You can reuse them, just take them off. I'm gonna reuse it because I didn't buy another one. All right, last thing that we need to take off is this one. I think wouldn't work, so now I gotta do this. And let's see. You can't see that, there's one more on the bottom. Underneath it. I'm pretty dumb. I should have known that there should have been 2. Everything else had 2. Okay. We got everything off. Now we just need to unscrew these. This was a size 12. There we go. So far we were successful in taking off the handles. As you can see, pretty dang bent from our fall. And now it's trash. So here's the Pro Taper ones that I got. The guy at the store told me to go with the high ATV set because it'd be better for ATVing. It won't hit anything. I don't really know. I just listened to him and bought it. So let's see, we'll put this in. So put these back in. Doesn't seem like it's in the middle, so just kind of adjust it. That's why I wanted it loose. Alright. Seems kind of centered as you can see. I got the high ones because that's what the guy told me. I'm just gonna tighten it a little bit. Keep it in place. So pretty simple. Not super tight yet because I don't even know if this is where I want it. Now we gotta reinstall everything. Alright. I'm not entirely sure about the positioning, but nice thing is we can always adjust. So you want some slack on your cord. this was with a screwdriver. Yep, I definitely put this in the wrong spot because this has a lot more slack. Like I said, I'm figuring this out for the first time. Apparently, I wasn't paying attention, and these need to go on first. So I'm going to redo that. All right. Nice thing is I don't need to take it off completely. So let's put the spacer back on. And this should go like right when it starts to bend up, it looks like. Probably about right there. First time doing this, a few hiccups. This isn't horrible though, so if I can do this, you definitely can do this on your own. It's nice that I have an ATV right here for reference. I should have been looking at it in the first place. Okay. Go ahead and tighten these up. So yeah, not too tight, that way I can loosen it later. I feel like that could probably go over more. This kind of broke as well, but still works. Nice thing about not tightening these too much is it doesn't take much to move it. Let's get this roughly in the same spot as that other one. About the same spot. Alright, cool, that's in. Adjust this. You want there to be a little bit of a gap. It doesn't have to be super big. Just a little bit. Not sure why, but there's probably a good reason for it. Basically reassembled. All I have to do now is put the new grips on with some grip glue so that way they stay in place. And put this piece back on. I'll have to remove this to do this, but as you can see, if I can do this and figure it out, you can do it too. So as you can see, replacing your steering wheel on your ATV is not that hard. You can definitely do it yourself. I am by no means a mechanic or even know how to work with tools. I'm learning on my own. We just barely bought these ATVs, and it's my goal to learn how to work on them, you know, change the oil myself, clean the carburetors when I need to, and all that stuff. I hope you guys enjoy your ATVs, enjoy changing your handlebars. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, whatever, and I hope you enjoy our journey with ATVs.